Alright guys, I'm going to show you all how to place a lid switch on a Whirlpool washer. You'll need a 5/16 nut driver, Phillips head screwdriver, and your part. This one will go in the back left here. I've already got the screws out, but there's a screw there we take up with a Phillips head screwdriver. There's one right there as well. When you do that, that top will loosen up. And you just pop that top right up. Here's your lid switch. I'll unplug it. Take your ground off. And then lift your lid up. And then that'll pull right out. From there, put your new switch in. Alright, then you'll put that ground screw back in right there with your 5/16. Pull your lid back down to where it fits into these grooves right here, these slots. And then you take your Phillips head screwdriver and screw those screws back down to the frame.